Hello? What? So what's his condition?
Well, he's stable, but
What?
he's in and out of consciousness. And he's rambling.
Rambling about what?
It's jumbled, but he keeps calling his wife's name.
Michelle? I wonder why.
Person, I don't trust Dr. Grant. I don't know why I feel for some reason she's somewhat responsible for what happened.
What do you mean? She was there when it happened?
Yes, earlier in the evening, but she left.
Was she alone with him at any time?
Not really. They were in the office for a short period, but I was at my desk doing some work.
The woman is dangerous. I don't trust her.
My sentiments exactly. And the worst thing is, she's the one looking after him.
What?
I visit every day. He's at some private facility, and I'm there as we speak.
Celine, please keep an eye on him for me.
I will, but I can only come at visiting hours. She comes here throughout the day.
I'll call and request that somebody else take care of my brother. I don't want him in a fear care.
Please do. When are you coming home?
In 2 weeks.
Okay, I'm going back inside to watch the witch.
Celine, give me a daily report, alright?
Will do.
Okay.
You are aware that this is past visiting hours, right?
I was asked by Mr. Wallace to check on his brother, and that is what I'm doing.
Well, I'm sure there's work at the office to be done. I am the doctor here, and as you can see, I'm doing my job, so you need to go and do yours.
I'm not ready to leave as yet.
Listen to me, young lady. I was kind enough to allow you to come here on the request of his brother. I didn't have to. In the same instant, I can discontinue your privileges to see him based on the condition that he's in. So I'm going to ask that you be very careful.
What did you do to him?
Excuse me?
You heard me. I didn't stutter. What did you do to him?
Are you suggesting that I have something to do with the minister having a heart attack? You do know we're on the same team, right?
Oh, please. You're so full of it. We all know you want the minister's position to put herbal medicine there. You are a power-hungry, egotistical woman that will do anything to get what she wants.
Ouch. Those are some serious jabs. It's a pity you don't have any evidence to support your accusations. And if I were you, I'd be very careful.
I guess it hasn't dawned on you yet that I'm not afraid of you.
No, I know you're not afraid of me. As a matter of fact, I'm the one that's afraid of you. But there is something about you that keeps rubbing me the wrong way.
You sound like a broken record. I know you really want to see me as some mysterious person that you need to research. But keep searching, because what you found last week, last month, is the same that you'll find next week or next month. All the best.
Interesting.